going to broil some steaks tonight because it's Valentine's Day. Hi guys, Becki-licious here. And for our last Valentine's Day week special, we're going to have a nice Valentine's Day dinner. Really, really simple, although we're going to broil some steaks. I've never broiled steaks before. I usually do it out on the barbecue. So this will be fun. And then we're just going to have some asparagus on the side, a little bit of rice pilaf. Nothing too fancy. So let's go ahead and get on. We're going to start out with our asparagus first, okay? I don't know if anybody's ever grilled asparagus before or not, so it's actually pretty simple. But we're going to break off the bottom. We'll finish the bottoms of these, get these rinsed, and throw them in with the other ones I had in here. And then we're going to get these taken over here. So we've got our butter's already all melted on here. And we're just going to get these thrown in here. And then we're going to get them all seasoned up with our, our trusty friend, Mrs. Dash. We sure do like Mrs. Dash. Just saying. So let's get all of these in here. All right. Get a little bit of mustache in there. Give these puppies some flavor. We're all about the flavor. There we go. All right, so we're gonna let them do their thing, and then I think it's time to put our steaks in the broiler, okay? Keep our fingers crossed. Here we go. All right, let's see what happens. Ooh, that asparagus is looking all yummy and pretty green. Yum, yum, yum. All right, we're gonna pull these steaks out real quick so that we can flip them over. And then we'll be throwing them back in there. Oh, goodness, don't those look yummy. Ooh, it's nice and hot in there. So here we go. We're going to number one, number two. Okay. Back in we go. There we go. All right, so the rice is back here. It's almost finished, just simmering up a little bit. And obviously, as you can see, this asparagus it's looking absolutely amazing. All right, let's get these steaks pulled out because I do believe they're done. All right, it's time to plate up, start eating dinner. Okay, dinner is ready. Plus, we've even got dessert. What do you know? So there you go, another fun adventure in the kitchen with me. I hope you guys had fun. I know I did. Don't forget to like and share and all that fun stuff. And I can't wait to see you next time. Okay, bye.